Hey friends, if you wish to add or change time server on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the time and language tab on the list on the left hand side and select date and time. Now wait. Okay. You need to scroll down and there will be an option which says help with date and time. Sorry, additional clocks. Go to internet time, click on change settings. There's something which says synchronize with an internet time server. This is checked by default, let it be checked. The default one is time.windows.com. You can change it to time.nist.gov. Click on update now, click on OK, and then you're done. And then you can click on sync now, and the time server will be time.nist.gov. Does it make any difference? I'll tell you honestly, absolutely not. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.